how to create a WordPress.com account. So what I've gone ahead and done is within Google Chrome, or it could be your favorite search engine, just gone ahead and searched WordPress. And then from here, go ahead and look for the WordPress.com link option. WordPress.com, create a free website or blog. Go ahead and select on that. And from the main page here where it says 37% of the web is built on WordPress, unlock the power of the most flexible website builder. Go ahead and select on Start Your Website. Then from here, it'll ask you to put in a domain name that you might want. So for myself, I'm just going to do howtoal.com. Okay. And that's kind of what I want right now. Okay. So we have a free registration, renews at $18 per year. Okay. So we'll go ahead and select the free option, howtoal.wordpress.com. Okay. And now we're going to course select on the not sure yet, start with the free site. Okay. And now we're going to go ahead and put in our email address. And then select on continue. And then hooray, your site will be ready shortly. And boom. You have gone ahead and created your WordPress.com account and also your website. We'll get into further detail in future videos.